Hello friends, I am Vijay Kiawat, a Delhi-based watercolorist. In this video, I will demonstrate how to flatten a cockled or a buckled watercolor painting, which is a problem frequently faced by watercolor artists. Now you see, I have for this demonstration a painting which has cockled like this. It's a small painting, but a bigger painting can be more cockled. So you see from the edges that it has got bent surface, and this kind of watercolor painting is not acceptable to customers. It cannot be framed very well. So one needs to flatten it, and I will show a very simple process of flattening it. All that you need for this exercise is a board, clean board like this that I have, this one, and then I need one clean towel. It's a bath towel. You can use a Turkish towel or you can use a flat plain surface towel. So what you do is you place this clean towel over the board like this. And then keep your painting with the painted surface down. This towel has to be dry. It cannot be damp or wet at all. It has to be absolutely dry. So you keep this painting with the upside down. Don't mind the paint here because I used a used sheet which was discarded. So I used the white side for painting, and this side is of no use to me. But for this exercise, it doesn't matter whether it is a used sheet or a fresh sheet. Now you keep this sheet, the cockled painting with the upside down surface, and you see this jar of water here and a white brush. And what I will do, so here is a white brush and a jar of water, clean water. Now what you do is liberally apply water on the back side of the painting with the help of this brush. Now see me doing it. All over. Don't leave any dry surface. And let me explain the purpose of this Turkish towel, the dry towel, clean towel. When you apply water like this, you might have a back run and the water may seep into the painting and spoil it. So that is the purpose of this towel. It will soak up any back run drops of water. So now I am applying water liberally, in moving the brush in various directions so that no surface is left dry. Applying water, make sure that your painting does not slip on the towel. If it slips, then the wet portions may come in contact with the color and spoil the painting. So your sheet should be absolutely static, non-moving, non-skidding on the surface of the towel. Now once you're done with it, you can now turn the painting, and now you have the water on the lower side and the upper side is dry. Now what you do is remove the towel and keep the painting like this on the board and stretch it. Pull it with your fingers in opposite direction and you will feel that the paper is slightly stretching, and don't stretch it too hard, you might end up tearing the painting. It has happened once or twice in my case. So just stretch it lightly and firmly. You will feel that the paper is stretching a bit, and then stretch it across. And then diagonally. Once again. And once again across. Now you are ready to fix the painting with the help of a masking tape on the board. I got a 2-inch masking tape. It's a tape which the painters use. It's a paper tape. So it's a 2-inch masking tape which I need to now use to fix the painting on the board for the purpose of stretching. So I take a length good enough for this length of the painting and cut it with the scissors and then fix it. Make sure that the masking tape does not cover the painting, it's outside. I have a pencil line drawn here which was used for earlier masking tape, and same guideline I am using for masking the painting now. So first I will fix it across both the sides, opposite sides. The longer sides first and the shorter sides later. So when I fix the opposite side, I must make sure that the paper is tightly stretched. I pull it in this direction and then fix it. Now I tape the shorter sides. Making sure that the tape does not cover the painting. If it is slightly away or a little more away, doesn't matter. It is safer that way. So basically you are re-stretching the painting, and the watercolor artists know what the stretching means. Now the other side. And using a clean hanky, just make sure that the tape has adhered to the board all over. Friends, I allowed the painting to dry overnight, and next morning I was very anxious to see what the condition of the painting is. I went to the painting, removed the masking tapes from all the 4 sides, and look at what I saw. This is how the painting looked, and see the straight edge, absolutely clean. So as you can see, this painting is absolutely flat, and it's a treat to the eyes. It's good for framing. It would have a great customer appeal. By this process that I have explained in this video, I have stretched paintings as small as 10 inch by 10 inch and as big as 40 inches by 60 inches, and they have come out absolutely flat. Well, sometimes by this procedure you may not get the painting flat in one attempt. It has happened to me a couple of times, but when you try it again, the painting would come out most likely absolutely flat. So whether you are an artist facing a problem of cockled painting, or you are a collector or a gallery owner having such kinds of paintings in your frames, you can flatten them or stretch them by this process. So happy stretching and good luck with that. Bye bye.